Hi, this is Derek with Loc-Doc Security. Today we're going to be installing the Locinox FortiMa magnetic latch. Before we install the Locinox FortiMa magnetic child-safe gate latch, we will be installing the Locinox Tiger hinges. The Tiger hinge is a great compact hinge with a built-in adjustable closer. Now that the Tiger hinges are installed, we can now move forward and install the FortiMa magnetic gate latch. The FortiMa gate latch is a child-safe gate latch that ensures safety, security, and the ease of entrance. And that's the complete installation of the FortiMa magnetic latch. For more information, visit locdoc.net.